Hey guys, welcome back. So Nubia is working on its next gaming flagship phone called RedMagic 7. It will consist of two variants, RedMagic 7 and 7 Pro. Now officially there is no information from Nubia, but recently one of the device cleared Bluetooth SIG certification, hinting at an imminent launch. This Bluetooth SIG certification isn't that helpful in terms of giving us any idea related to the specs. It only tells us about the model number, which in this case is NX679J, and the Bluetooth version. Regardless, we can make some educated guess as to what we can expect from this phone. Obviously, since this is a gaming phone, its primary purpose is to play games and play them well. So to do that, it's highly likely that it will be equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, previously known as Snapdragon 898. The new chipset is expected to use a 4nm fabrication process and the X65 5G modem. It will undoubtedly be the fastest Snapdragon chipset, with improved performance, better efficiency and faster GPU than last year's Snapdragon 888 SoC. We can also expect the device to offer some advanced thermal management to control heat while gaming or during high-performance tasks. Another key part to a gaming phone is the display. Judging from the current RedMagic 6 variants, the RedMagic 7 will likely carry the same 6.8-inch AMOLED panel along with a refresh rate of 165Hz. Do you think Nubia will increase the display size? We think they will stick to the same size. RedMagic 6, 6S Pro had an insane battery life, so we expect nothing less from the RedMagic 7. It's also believed to come with an upgraded 120W fast charging. If you have anything to contribute, feel free to comment below. And that's it for today. Subscribe for more updates. Hit the bell icon to be notified instantly. Thank you for watching. Peace out.